Introduce highlight features or overview summary for GloExo Powerful Heating Portable Cloth Dryer. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: unprecedented experience and excellent drying effect. Dryer machine is equipped with the latest 600-watt pure copper heating sheet, more outstanding heating effect, and the unique double air duct for even heat emission in drying tent. Even the clothes at the bottom of the drying tent can be dried at the same time as the clothes on the top. 25 minutes to dry short sleeves, 45 minutes to dry jeans. After laboratory tests, actual drying effect of 600-watt clothes dryer is equivalent to that of 1200-watt dryer. Bathed in the sun. Old portable dryer often produces a strange odor after drying, which makes you feel bad. GloExo electric portable dryer is equipped with UV, which participates in the whole process of drying clothes. It can not only remove the odor in the drying process, but also make sure the clothes don't additionally bother the skin. Make clothes feel better like drying in the sun, whether for adults or babies. Weight-bearing effect and mute effect. After many experiments, the laundry compact dryer can bear the weight of 33 pounds at most. It can work normally even for the down jacket just washed. The daily use of clothes in a family can be easily handled. The mini dryer has excellent noise control. It will never affect your normal rest even if it works in the bedroom. Adapt to multi-scene and portable design and safety design. With the installation extender, random color, you can hang it in any area that can be fixed and near to the power socket. After fixing the extender, you can hang dryer and start drying. Dryer has a lightweight, portable design, for easy storage in a suitcase for business travel. The lower part of the heating sheet is equipped with a separate baffle, not owned by other products, for preventing scald accidents by accidentally touching. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.